#1 goal is to teach the best I can teach so they can be successful also. You gotta keep a lineage of awesome artists. Keep the industry strong.
I've been in the hair industry for about 20+ years, and when I saw this, I immediately had to contact them. I had to jump on it.
I was nervous about coming out here and learning SMP and going back home and messing up somebody's head, but after meeting Taylor and he walked me through it, I felt confident.
There's a lot of stuff that other people I see don't really show, but that's what kind of like convinced me to come here all the way from Kansas to train. Taylor's legit, and anybody that wants to come train, he's the man.
After training with him, I feel 100% more confident than what I was when I came in here. He's really good at showing me how to mix one to the other depending on the skin type of the client and everything that has to do with the machine, which needle is good, how far in you need to go. I'm ready to just go. So who's next?
I'm a precise barber, so learning SMP was something I wanted to add to my arsenal. I felt like I could execute the task, actually.
I chose Taylor because he came off very genuine and passionate. He just seems like he really cares about this business. He cares about the client. His work just really stood out to me. And I just knew that if he can even teach me just a portion of how great he is on doing it, I know that I'll do great as well.
This service will change your life because we're talking $20 to $40 haircuts to doing $2,000 to $3,000 clients. Change can be scary, but change is growth. The only way to grow is getting out of your comfort zone.
I recommend this process for anybody, a barber, cosmetologist who wants to get in this industry. Taylor Perry is definitely the GOAT.
When you come and train, you get a whole kit. Machine that I use, power supply I use, the same needles I use, the pigments I use. I give you the whole kit to go home and start immediately. I can only be as successful as my students. I need to see people excelling, not paying money, come train, and then you disappear. Nah, you gotta get to work. Get your investment back.
Working with T, he wants you to be just like him. Having someone who wants you to be a replica of what he's created is actually great. You do models, he teaches you pressure. All the things that you might be concerned about is actually like, he teaches you how to do the proper line work. He teaches you how to shape and scope the head, measure the hairline, make sure you're doing the right indications as far as creating a hairline.
He answers everything and makes you feel confident about what you're about to do. As soon as I get off that plane and I touch down home, I'm ready. Like, that's how confident I am.
You want to be the best, you got to learn from the best. Here we go.
It just really boils down to if you're ambitious, you want to learn. I want to teach people who really got passion for it and that are like hungry, you know, like they like it. There's no lotto tickets or free rides. It's just, if you work hard and you're focused, you're going to be successful.